But just one simple thing was this. I was allowed one visit to the bathroom each day. And when I went into the bathroom, I only had a few minutes in there. Up on the high on the wall, there was a window which was normally padlocked with a wooden shutter. Remember, I was in an apartment building, 3 or 4 stories up. And on one day I went into that room and the window hadn't been left unpadlocked. So I clambered up to see the first sight of the outside world for years. And as I looked down on the street below, I saw a lady carrying a bunch of flowers, full of colour. And it was the first time I'd seen colour in years. And I remember thinking to myself, goodness me, that very trite saying, it is trite, I know. But, the best things in life are free. And that made a big impression on me. And it's helped me realise, yes, all around us there are things that are free, that we have life, we have the environment which we should protect and care for. Learn to value it, learn to value life, learn to value your life and the life of other people and the life of this planet. Let your horizons be expanded in that way. And that can be done, and it can be done in all sorts of circumstances.